Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio, we're going to be doing an installation guide with a set of Weston HDX stainless steel Nerf bar side steps. Super easy install, you can definitely do it in your driveway with a basic set of tools. If you're shopping for sidebars, make sure to check out the Motoroso marketplace where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Let's get started. We're going to be doing this installation guide on our 2015 Ford F-150 Super Crew. And this is our Weston HDX stainless steel Nerf bar with drop steps. Make sure when you're buying Nerf bars, you buy the ones that fit your year, make, and model, but this installation video should be relevant for any 2015 or newer F-150.
For this job, all you're going to need is a ratchet, an extension, and a 13mm socket. If you have OEM steps on your truck, let's start by removing those with your 13mm socket. Next, place the small plastic washers directly on the studs, making sure that they're pressed fully against the chassis. Now, paying attention to whether you have the driver's side or passenger side, front, middle, and rear brackets, place the brackets over the studs and then hold them in place using the washer, lock washer, and nut in that order. And don't fully tighten these down because you're going to need to leave them loose to adjust the alignment later. Now you can set the new step bars onto the brackets by sliding them into the grooves on the back side of the step bars. Now use the new hardware provided by Weston by placing the crush washer on first and then the flat washer. Use those bolts to bolt the step bar to the chassis brackets and go ahead and tighten them fully. With the step bar mounted to the brackets, we now recommend tightening the 3 nuts on the center bracket on the chassis. And now make sure that everything's lined up properly, and then you can tighten the other 6, the 3 at the front and the 3 at the back. Now simply repeat these steps on the other side and you're all set.
All right, that wraps up the installation of Nerf bars on our 2015 Ford F-150. These bars are the Weston HDX stainless steel Nerf bars with drop steps. The part number is 56-139452, and they'll set you back around $650. You can shop for those and over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free at Motoroso.com. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our future stuff. Thanks for watching.